Hello guys, welcome. Good evening. Today we are going to see reactjs entry questions part 2. In this part 2 video, before going to start the part 2, please do subscribe our channel and like this video. Okay. What is the difference between functional component and a class component in React? Answer is functional component. Already we know we have two components, right? One is functional component and the class component. Before going to explain the functional and class component, I would like to tell the what is component. Component means already we discussed in the previous video. The React.js is a component-based architecture only because each and everything in this React considered as a component. Like our JavaScript, all the things is considered as an object, right? Based on that, we are doing everything in the React as a component. In this component, we have the two major difference. One is functional component and another one is class component. In class component, let me see the functional component. What is functional component? A functional component are simple JavaScript function that takes paths and as argument and return JSX. That means it is a simple function which have a capability to get the properties as an argument and return the JSX. JSX already we discussed. The JSX is a JavaScript XML. The JavaScript XML can be sent to the can be the return value of that functional component. They are lightweight, easier to read, and promote the use to React hook for the state and side effects. Actually, in the functional component only, we are directly use the React hook for state and side effects. These are all some of the hooks. Don't worry about the hook details. We will discuss the hook things completely in the upcoming videos. Now the class component. What is class component? A class component are ES6 classes that extends from React.component. Already we know ES6 features. If you check the ES6 feature, you can see the classes one of the feature, new feature from the ES6. As per the rules and regulation, they have implemented the class components in the React.js also. So they have a built-in state and lifecycle method. Class components are actually built-in state and lifecycle method means in functional component we are doing everything. I mean every lifecycle concept using the use effects, use effect hooks. We can see that all those details in the future video. So don't worry about that. Uh, just know only this only here. They have a built-in state lifecycle methods in class component. So class components were the primary way to building component before the instruction of React hooks. Hope you understand the difference between the components, class components and the functional components. We can one by one, we can discuss one by one in the future videos. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe and like. Thank you. Thank you so much.